Okay, and so for the last part of the fire alarm activation, we will activate the heat detector above the amplifier and above the amplifier pull station. And I'll be doing it with my magnet because this is a fixed temp only heat detector. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairways and exit the building. Do not use the elevator, but proceed to the stairways and exit the building. May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairways and exit the building. Do not use the elevator.
Alright, now we'll go ahead and hit system reset.